Kaizer Chiefs' historic journey to the CAF Confederation Cup group stage has been met with cautious optimism, as former defender Thabang Roy has raised concerns over the club's tactical approach and squad consistency. Despite advancing past AS Simba to secure a place in the group stage, Amakosi face questions over their ability to compete against more seasoned continental sides. Roy singled out coaches Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Case, highlighting their frequent rotation of the starting lineup as a potential stumbling block, and said, I think the group stage is going to be tough because the coaches aren't consistent. Some players are in the stands one week and in the starting lineup the next. The players aren't used to playing together, and that's the problem I see. Roy elaborated, pointing to examples of rotation that disrupt cohesion, and said there's no situation where a player can play 3 or 4 consecutive games. Riff Frostler plays 1 or 2, then Dylan Solomons plays a few games. The coach needs to sort out that one. Even with these concerns, Roy sees potential in some of Chiefs' new signings, and said last time I saw they were playing Wandile Duba on the left wing, then the new striker. He has to adapt to the team, but from what I've seen, he can give us something. This season marks Chiefs' first ever appearance in the Confederation Cup group stage. The Glamour Boys are eager to make history by advancing to the knockout rounds, but they will need greater clinical precision as they face technically stronger sides. Their path to the stage has not been straightforward. Chiefs narrowly defeated Angola's Kapuskop but required a post-match penalty shootout to secure their progression past AS Simba. Meanwhile, their domestic form has been inconsistent, leaving them eager to rebound in Friday's DStv Premiership clash against Durban City. A victory would be crucial in restoring confidence ahead of their continental campaign. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.